Welcome to the Adventure People. This is where you can find and book your adventure holiday. Our search engine is a bit different, and we wanted to make this video to show you how to use it and answer any questions you may have. We know it can be a bit of a problem finding the right adventure for you, especially as there are thousands to choose from on hundreds of websites. So we're bringing all adventure holidays into one place and making it much easier to find the right one for you. You can find our search engine on many pages, but we're going to focus on the home page. The real difference with our platform is that you can choose multiple elements at once. For example, you may be interested in going to Vietnam, Thailand, or Cambodia. With our search engine, that's possible. You can search for all three at once. In fact, you can add as many or as few destinations as you like. The same applies to all elements. Let's take a look at durations. We can choose any duration we like and add it in. Now let's do the same with prices. As you can see, our search engine lets you build a search as open and as broad or as specific as you like. We hope this helps. Please do feel free to contact us at any time on hello@theadventurepeople.com or call us on 0208 004 8886. Thank you very much for watching, and please check out our Facebook page and our YouTube channel where you can subscribe.